Who would have thought that crumpled dollars could be easily straightened with a regular iron? But it's always better to handle money carefully and keep it intact in your wallet. Laser rust removal is increasingly replacing traditional metal processing methods each year. Additionally, metal treated with laser is resistant to corrosion for a long time and looks like new. This is a Chinese incense holder. Smoke descends like a waterfall, spreading a pleasant fragrance throughout the room. It's so relaxing, and you can watch it all day. Don't be surprised. It's a special nano coating on the glass that prevents water droplets from sticking and allows them to roll off easily. We all use work gloves almost every day, but few know how they are actually made and what an interesting process it is. To prevent gloves from getting wet and make them more elastic, they are treated with a special rubber solution. Where a thicker layer is needed, the gloves are fully immersed in the solution. This girl deserves an award for creative thinking. She creates paintings from roasted rice and then tosses them in the air. It looks fantastic, especially when the drawings cascade down. Check it out. She has a series of paintings with Pokemon that you'll want to watch over and over again. Thanks to a special vacuum, cleaning the billiard table is no longer a problem, and the surface is always perfectly ready for big victories. What do you think this could be? Okay, don't rack your brain. These are nails interacting with magnets hidden at the bottom of the box. It looks absolutely incredible and amazing, but you can try to do something similar at home. A special tool for removing excess paint from a roller. Apparently, painters also enjoy observing something unusual, hence the invention of such a device. Of course, you can use a regular scraper, but don't worry, it won't make the process any less spectacular. At first glance, it's not clear what it is, but it's just dried paint at the bottom of the bucket that builders left for a few days. Agree that it's really unusual at first glance and doesn't resemble ordinary paint. Just look at the professional work of the chef. He turns ordinary fruits and vegetables into works of art, and the results of his work can confidently be exhibited in galleries and museums. Such professional skill requires years of practice, but it's worth it. This unique bench was designed by the Indian design studio Taki. It is assembled in such a way that it appears to be moving, but the seating areas remain stationary. Agree that the idea deserves attention and respect. Chocolate and chocolate candies production always attracts a lot of attention and arouses a feeling of hunger. Watching this video makes you want to sneak a piece off the conveyor, or even two. Working in a chocolate factory is the cherished dream of anyone who loves sweets. What does this look like to you? You won't believe it, but it's the ice cream production process, and food coloring is added to give it a bright color. Such a process gives the ice cream an elastic structure and unique properties. Some people plant grass with a regular shovel, while others use an excavator. Just look at how skillfully the driver collects the grass and loads it into the truck. I'm sure with such skills, he could easily participate in competitions and demonstrate his mastery. See how your favorite brand logos are actually made. Without automation, this process would be impossible. It takes a lot of thread to make one logo, but it's worth it. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.